Hello guys, welcome to my live chat. Billy here from China. We are Lithium Battery Pack Factory located in Shenzhen City in Guangdong or Canton Province. We make lithium battery packs for different applications. Energy storage, electric bikes, solar lights, power tools, robots. Right now we are assembling 18650 batteries, 1800 batteries for flashlights. Cool, thank you, Pusherman. Good afternoon. He's very fast, yes. 人家老外说你很快。好歹也略懂拳脚。小妹说你好歹也练过2年，也略懂拳脚。Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to my live stream. On the bottom of the battery is BMS, Battery Management System. Test them and put the shells or cases慢一点啊，我去前面拍一会儿。 啊，没有啦，那你还叫我过来？Flashlight batteries, 3.7 volts, 1,800 milliampere hour each battery. Could be lamp, torches, flashlights. You guys need to stop creating new things. We can't keep up. Okay, we will slow down. Our factory is located in Shenzhen City. Shenzhen is called the capital city of electronics, so there are a lot of new stuffs, high tech innovations. 慢下来啊。Price, sales, or these batteries? $18,650, yes. Tell us how to make what you are making. So we basically add BMS on the bottom of this battery cell and a cap. $18,650, yes. And then put these shells or cases, whatever you call them. And after this, we will put these PVC coatings with our client's label. So that's it. Housing. Yeah, housing is also another word. Yes. Heat shrink. Yeah. PVC heat shrink. Yeah. And here we are spot welding 12.8 volts, 36 ampere hour packs with these 32,700 cells. FPO4 cells, 3.2 volts, 6,000 milliampere hour each cell. What is made? Battery packs. And we put 4 cells in series, 6 in parallel to get 12.8 volts, 36 ampere hour packs. And these battery packs are for solar street lights. Do you do direct sales? Yes, we do direct sales. We don't have distributors. 你好，你好，下午好。We accept custom orders. We build battery packs after we get orders. No ready-made packs. Because if you assemble a lot of battery packs, put them in your warehouse, the capacity will drop as time goes by. Where are you from? From Shenzhen City, China. Link, we don't sell batteries on any platforms or apps. They are for these ones. These ones are for flashlights. The other ones, 12.8 volts. 36 ones are for solar lights, solar street lights. Hi, good afternoon, guys. I like China. I want to make friendship with you. Thank you, thank you. I'll be back. How much does one cost? A finished product about $1. How many years will it last? 4 to 5 years. Warranty and guarantee. We provide 2 years of warranty for our battery packs. 3.7 volts. Yes, these are lithium ion batteries. 3.7 volts each. Lithium ion. Yes, these are lithium ion. How many milliampere each per cell? And these ones only 1,800 milliamperes. We also have 2,000, 2,200, 2,600, 3,000, 3,200 milliampere hour 18650 cells. We make electric bike, electric scooter batteries with 18650 and 21700 lithium ion cells. LiFePO4 are more for energy storage. Working hard, Mr. Zhang. Thank you very much.你下完了。Which type? 18650. 18650 lithium ion. Repeating this task will impair your ability to think. That's true. That's true. BMS. $3,000 milliampere hour. What's your minimum order quantity to the United States? And 200 pieces MOQ. Grade A, always grade A. And high quality. These are the best quality 32700 cells. From the company is called Lang Taitong Ltd for short. These are the best and the most expensive 32700 cells. Manufactured on 12th November the 12th. So brand new cells. Do you need any employees? I will do it. Right now we are not hiring. I'm going to show you guys some finished products. Complete battery packs we made before. This one is a wall-mounted 5 kilowatt-hour battery pack with the inverter inside, all-in-one battery. This one, 12.8 volts, 200 ampere hour. Portable power stations over there. Smaller ones. Power tool batteries. E-bike batteries behind. Different types of cells we use. These are 18650, 3200 milliampere hour, 3C rate cells. These 4, 3C, and those 6 behind, 3000, 5C rate. Five kilowatt hour battery bank price. $700. $700 for 5 kilowatt hour battery. How many minimum order required for order? The 5 kilowatt one? 5 units MOQ. 5 units MOQ for 5 kilowatt hour battery. Thank you for joining us, guys. Good afternoon from China. What is he doing? He is sport welding battery packs. Are those batteries? Yes. Lithium iron phosphate battery packs. And before spot welding, there's a process called cell sorting or balancing or testing. So we always sort the cells with these two machines. This one is for 32,700 cells sorting. We sort them based on the inner resistance and the voltage of the cells. These are flashlights batteries. Price of one battery. Which battery? These ones? The cells? Yes, they are rechargeable. How much? 1.7 each cell. 1.7 US dollars each cell. 3.2 volts, 6,000 milliampere hour. 3C rate. I pack them in series to get higher voltage. We put 4 cells in series, 6 in parallels to get 12.8 volts, 36 ampere hour packs for solar street lights. Hi guys, welcome to my live chat. Continuous discharge rate current 18 ampere. These are 3C discharge rate cells. So you can build electric bike batteries with them, with these cells. Rechargeable, yes. 2000 cycles lifespan. Can I use for inverter? Of course. For energy storage. How do I contact you. Victor, my WhatsApp number and the email address on my YouTube homepage. How many pieces in a box? In a box, a carton, do you mean? 200 pieces. How many countries are your products available to? Most of the countries in the world. What's the cost for a carton? Let me calculate. $340 US. 你好 from 加拿大 Canada. Hi. 你好. We are a lithium battery pack factory, so we make lithium battery packs for different applications. Do you supply to African countries too? Sure. These battery packs are for solar street lights, 12.8 volts, 36 ampere hour each pack. All type of the batteries have same price, of course not. Shake it. Shake it, shake it. May I ask how a pallet is also? A pallet will be 5,000 pieces sales. How do I contact you? WhatsApp number on my YouTube homepage. How much is packed? 12.8 volts, 36 ampere hour pack costs $66 US. How about small batteries? Small, you mean 18650? We can put 5,000 or 10,000 on a pallet for 18650 sales. Can we have an assembly line in my area? Sure. You can buy the equipments from China if you know how to assemble battery packs. We also make electric bike batteries with 18650 or 21700 lithium ion cells from 36 volts to 72 volts. Do you have 2340? No, we don't. We have 18650, 21700, 26650, 32700, 32140, 32140, 3.2 volts, 15 ampere hour each cell. We also have prismatic cells to make big battery packs. Do you have outlet in Nigeria? No, we don't. 6000 life cycle, that's prismatic cells, cylindrical, 2500, the most. Are they very safe? If you assemble them correctly, yes, and you always need BMS, battery management systems for lithium battery packs. And life pure for batteries are safer compared with lithium ion. I will contact you. Okay, thank you, Victor. Thank you, Victory. Do you have online store for purchasing battery packs? No, we don't have online store. We accept custom orders. We make battery packs after we get orders. We make more than 100 models of battery packs for different applications. Six piece. Sorry, we don't retail. 200 pieces sales MOQ. After product motorbike Superman. 72 battery pack, 20 cells in series to get 72 volts. One hundred pieces. How much is it with coming with BMS? 100 pieces of what? Do you have any kind of brochures for all batteries? I posted a lot of videos on YouTube and TikTok. You can see the battery packs we make. And we have a website. Do you ship to USA non-wholesale? We only wholesale. We don't retail. Yes, we ship to USA. Here I have cylindrical packs that could fit in back gas tank. Back gas tank, I'm not familiar with that, but we can make cylindrical battery packs, yes. Please drop the website. I cannot type right during this live chat. I can only talk. These are lithium iron phosphate, LiFePO4. What's the minimum order quantity? 72 volts battery packs with BMS. Looking for wholesale for resale in United States. How many ampere hour? BMS. What capacity do you need for 72 volts? You're streaming from China, bro? Yes, that's right. Do you have scooter battery 42 volts or 36 volts? We can make that, yes. From 36 volts to 72 volts of different capacity and different dimensions. Hoverboard batteries, yes, we can do that. Pretty easy to make with 18650 cells. Can you build me a pack? Sorry, we don't retail. I love this channel. Oh, thank you very much. How do we order? WhatsApp number on my YouTube homepage. WhatsApp number and the email address. Bring me to your country and let me work for you. I cannot do that, dude. You need a business visa. Send the AliExpress link, please. We don't sell on AliExpress. We used to, but not anymore. Because we don't have ready-made packs. We are a custom factory. 72 volts, 30 ampere hour. 20 units MOQ for 72 volts, 30 ampere hour pack. We'll use 21700, 3.7 volts, 5000 milliampere hour cells to do that. 20 cells in series, 6 in parallel to 72 volts, 30 ampere hour pack. Which company you work with? EVE? We use cells from different manufacturers. EVE sometimes, but most of the time we use cells 18650 and 21700 cells from DMAG-C. DMAG-C and EVE are the best two manufacturers of 18650 and 21700 cells. Why aren't you showing them being tested? Being tested, what do you mean? We have tested them already. Cells balancing, cells sorting, always before you spot welding them. Where are you guys located? In Shenzhen City. Shenzhen City. Show that part. Which part? The testing part? I told you we are not testing anymore. We have tested these cells. But I can show you the machines for testing in Dubai. Hi. Isn't EVE isn't expensive? Of course it is expensive. We test 30 to 700 cells with this machine based on the inner resistance and voltage of the cells. And this machine for 18650 and 21700 cells test. Hi from South Africa. Hello. These are the cartons of the 30 to 700 cells. That's inner resistance. 100 pieces in cotton. What do they make? We make lithium batteries. I have two spot welding, automatic spot welding machine. This is a new one. 兄弟好，你好。Very interesting. What are the big cell packs used for? For solar street lights. And after we finish assembling the packs, we do aging tests in this room. We're not testing right now because we haven't starting assembling yet. And from the computer, you will see the voltage, capacity, operating current of the packs. Hello from California. Hi. Good afternoon from China. Thank you very much for joining us. How much the capacity for 18650? From 1500 milliampere hour to 3500 milliampere hour. 18650 cells. Your English is very good. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. You have thousands of Tesla 18650 and 21700 cells. Okay. So you build battery packs with these cells? You don't know what to do with them. So how did you get the cells? 你吃了吗？吃过了，谢谢。你吃了没有？ So you have left pure for sales. These are left pure for sales. The capacity is 6,000 milliampere hour each cell. You build packs, but you have no demand for them. Very sad. You can sell the packs. You can build electric bike battery packs and sell them in the United States. Hello, hello, hello. Hackers, hey. Here you are again. Thank you very much for joining us again. How much price for each sale? The 32,700 sale, 1.7 US dollars. $1.7 US each sale. This is an old one. We have two spot welding machines. Do you have 15 ampere hour life fuel for sales? Yes, we do. 30 to 140. We have them right now in our warehouse, but the network is not good there, so I cannot go there to show you. Otherwise, I will lose internet connection. Your factory makes me very happy. I love to watch your streamings. Oh, thank you very much. BMS for these 12.8 volts, 36 ampere hour packs with this temperature sensor. How much price for 15 ampere hour cell? FPO4. Four US dollars. The best quality cell. The best quality 30 to 140 cells, 4 US dollars each. Much more expensive than the cells from EVE. We have the cells from CBAK. CBAK is the brand. You have $3.3.5 for 30 to 140. Which brand? Are these for RC cars or what kind of batteries? You can make battery packs for different applications with these cells. These packs we are building right now are for solar lights, solar street lights. You have racing drones and the Dajiang Maviv Pro. Dajiang, the company, is in the same city as our factory in Shenzhen. Dajiang. What is the current output of these solar streetlight battery packs? 15, 20, 30. There are different solar lights. Such a cool job. Thank you very much. How come if you don't use the lipo for a while, it won't work anymore. Lithium polymer, because of the quality. Where to buy your products? Uh, WhatsApp number on my YouTube homepage. I'm not a big fan of lithium polymer. Me neither. Me neither. Not so safe, to be serious. Where is your store online? We don't have online store. We only accept custom orders. What is your job position? If you don't ask, don't mind me asking. I'm a sales manager, not the owner. I can show you. I can go to and get the 15 ampere hour LiFePO4 battery for you guys from our warehouse. Just a minute. Are you related to Gary John, the Pearl guy? No, never heard about him. Were you in UK? Your English is excellent. Oh, thank you. No, I was not in UK or United States. I learned English in China. So these two are 30 to 140 LiFePO4 cells, 3.2 volts, 15 ampere hour each cell, 32 millimeter in diameter, and the length 140 millimeter. 3C continuous discharge rate, EV grade, best quality cells in the world from CBAK, the company. Do you sell flashlights that uses those huge batteries? We don't sell flashlights, but we sometimes make flashlights batteries for our customers. From China, yes. Three C, so 45 ampere. Yes, continuous. Yes. 45 ampere continuous discharge current. Will you send it to India? We can send the cells to India, yes. We have BIS certifications for cells. You need to delete the negative comments. Yes, and ban them. Yeah, I will kick them out. There are always ignorant, arrogant people in the world. In my live chats, also, sometimes I just ignore their what should they say, their comments. How much for 50 pieces? The 15 ampere, $4 each sale. For the most expensive, 30 to 140 cells. EVE, some guy mentioned the EVE. EVE also produces 30 to 140 cells, and their cells cost half of this brand. Your pronunciation is amazing. It's almost native. Oh, thank you very much. With some Chinese accent. Yeah, those people are everywhere. Yes, we just ignore them. How much for 500? This one? 30 to 140? Do you have cheaper for 15 ampere hour? Yes, we have a lower quality one. Not low, but compared to this one, lower quality, so less expensive. And each one costs three US dollars. What is the minimum MOQ for this one? 100 pieces MOQ. Ignore the ignorant people. Yes. Life PO4. These are Life PO4. These ones are 30 to 700. 3C continuous discharge rate, so each cell can provide 18 ampere continuous current. How much is shipping? Depending on where shipped to and the quantity. When will you review your nuclear battery packs? Pretty soon. Pretty soon. I can do $1.50 a piece for 1,000. $1.50 for what? The website. The website for English. What does that mean? Do you do carbon ones? No, we don't. Sodium ion sometimes we do. Good luck. Thank you, thank you. The same to you. Good luck to you. For the batteries, which battery? These ones? Do you sell phosphate for iron batteries? Do you mean lithium ion phosphate? These are lithium iron phosphate. I wish I could go to China to work on batteries like this. Here in the United States, that is almost non-existent. Trust me, I've tried looking. Welcome to China. You can come to work with us. We can buy all the materials very easily and quickly. BMS, nickel strips, bus bars, cells. You can get them, all the materials, pretty far. Do you have an emergency plan in the event one starts to smoke? Sure. You need to cut the nickel strips when they start smoking. And we have fire extinguisher everywhere. And the budget of sands, yes. And also budgets with water. Now like there, water and sands. Where are you from? From China. Do you accept workers from other countries? Sure. If they know how to work. Okay, guys, that's all for my live stream today. We are about to get off work. Thank you very much for your time. I wish all of you a wonderful weekend. Take care, guys. Bye. See you next time. Maybe on Monday. Okay, bye, guys. 可以啊，可以啊。